Welcome back to The Five Life. I'm Jessica, and in this video, we are showing you how to transform a playhouse from this to this. Can you make me a chicken pot pie?
Sure I can.
Thank you. So a side note, make sure that you put all the pieces together how it came, because we flipped the sides and now the shelf won't go back in. So make sure you keep it how it came.
Put the doorknobs on. This is the hardware it came with, which wasn't long enough to go through the door. So I just bought the same size, but an extra long bolt to cut the end off. So that we can thread both on at the same time.
It's gonna be a better day. It's getting better, getting better. A better day. It's getting better, getting better, better. A better day. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. Oh, I'm moving on, it's a better day. It's getting better, better. A better day. I can see a light shining bright at the end of this tunnel. Oh. Shining like the sun, brighter than gold. I'm not pretending that it's all okay, but I know tomorrow there'll be better days. Yeah, I can see blue skies up on the way. Yeah, but there'll be rainbows after the rain. Grabbing the wheel.
Come inside.
Okay.
Here's the light up there, and here's the clock, and here's the tasters, and here's a jug in the box. And here's a sink, here's a treasure jar, and here's toast, french fries, and sugar, and some milk, and french fries, and the stove, and this herb, books, and my name, you write me, and here's paper, here's a grandma, and here's a sink. I'm gonna come into my house. To watching. Write the video down below and subscribe.
If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and we'll try to get back to you to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
It's getting better, getting better. A better day. It's getting better, getting better, better. A better day. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. I'm moving on, it's a better day. It's getting better, getting better, better. A better day. Better day. better day.